Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install RAPIDS cuDF for GPU data processing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install RAPIDS cuDF for GPU data processing, start by ensuring that your system has a compatible NVIDIA GPU. Check your GPU compatibility on the RAPIDS website for the latest supported models. Next, verify that you have the correct version of the NVIDIA driver installed. You can download the latest driver from the NVIDIA website. Once the driver is installed, proceed to install the cuDF toolkit. You can find the appropriate cuDF toolkit version on the developers section of the NVIDIA website. After installing cuDF, it's time to set up your Python environment. Use a package manager like Anaconda for easier management of dependencies. If you don't have Anaconda installed, download it from their official website. Create a new Conda environment by running the command conda create in RAPIDS cuDF. Activate your new environment using conda activate RAPIDS cuDF. Now, add the RAPIDS conda channel by executing conda config add channels RAPIDS I. Set the channel for your specific cuDF version. For example, for cuDF 11.0, use conda config add channels RAPIDS I/label /cuDF 11.0. Next, install cuDF with the appropriate command. For example, for RAPIDS version 21.12 on cuDF 11.0, use conda install c RAPIDS IC conda forge c defaults. Allow the installation process to complete. After installation, verify that cuDF is successfully installed. Open a Python shell within the activated conda environment. Import cuDF by typing import cuDF. If no errors occur, the installation was successful. You can now begin using cuDF for GPU data processing. Make sure to consult the RAPIDS documentation for tutorials and advanced usage tips. With proper installation, you are ready to leverage GPU acceleration for your data tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.